hi students, now let's see the string programs in the core Java. So far I had explained the programs on the paper and by using the notepad. Now let's take the IDE. So I'm writing these programs on Eclipse IDE. So how to install these Eclipse IDE and how to set the class paths, everything I'll explain in the video. Okay, so now let's see. Now I'm going to explain the program how to convert the character array into a string. A character array into a string. Okay, so I just simply taken a file new and I created a Java project. So that is a core Java project. So under that I had taken one class char2string.java. Okay, so now I'm writing the program. Let's see. So how to convert a character array into a string. So first of all, a class is loaded, open brace executed, and then main method executed. So now it takes the next step. So what is the step? So here I'm taking the char array with an object array reference character. Okay, I'm taking a literals W. So let's take welcome. Welcome, each word I'm printing it as a separate literal. Okay. Okay. So the welcome message, I have taken it. What is my main motto? I want to convert this character array into a string. So here I have taken a character array. Each location is having a single literal. W is one, where the E, L, C, O, M, E. So separate literals. So these literals has to be printed in the form of a string. Okay. So how to print this in the form of a string? So now let's take a string class, string with an object reference S. I'm taking string S is equal to new string, a constructor. So a constructor with argument, okay, ch. So now finally what I have to do? I have to print this object reference. System dot out dot print ln yes. Okay, so this is what the program is. So this is a program of how to convert a character array into a string. So now execute the program. So right click here. So first save the program. So by clicking this, save the program. So here, let me take C is a small letter, sorry. Char ch is equal to, okay. So now execute the program. Right click, run as Java application. So what is my Java application? So that you need to be see here, welcome. So W I had given a small letter. So that's my small letter. Each literal is printed in form of a string. So if you observe here, okay, each is printed in the form of string. So this is how a program to convert character array into a string. Let me convert into string array, byte array into string. So how to do the byte array into string? Let's take a new file. So file, new. So this time click the class. So what is the class name? Give the class name as byte to string. Byte to string. Okay. So I'm taking public static void main. Okay. Byte to string. So source for, sorry, this is a core Java. Source file is the core Java. Core Java. Source. Okay. So the package is a core Java. It's a default package. Okay. Byte to string. So finish. See here, one more class, the core Java byte to string is created. So now how to write this program? I want to convert the byte to string. So how to write this? So byte to string means first take the byte array with the reference B. So in the previous program, what I had taken character. So character to string, right? Character to string. So now here byte to string. So what are the bytes? So first give the array byte array. The byte array I am giving it as suppose 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, 100, 101, 102. Okay. So this is a byte array. So this byte array has to pass into the string. So how to pass the byte array into the string? So take string class string s is equal to new string. New string with the constructor with the argument what? A byte B reference. Okay. So now whatever the byte 97 is converted to the S. Okay. So it's stored into the S and that has to be print. System dot out dot print ln. So S has to be print. Okay. So this is what the program is. What I'm doing here. So I have taken a byte. Okay. This byte I'm passing into the string and that will be converting. Okay. And then that is going to be printed. So now each byte has to be converted into the string. So whatever the 97 is there, the string has to be print. 98 string has to be print. 99 it's a numeral, it has to be converted into string. So now let's execute. So before that, save the program. Okay. So now right click on this, run as Java application. So which one? Byte to string or character string? This program we need to execute byte to string. Okay. So see here, A, B, C, D, E, F. 97. What is ASCII code of 97? That is A. The small letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Suppose if you change like something like 68. See here, let's see what will happen. 69. Okay. 72. Let's see. Save the program. Right click. Run as Java application. See here. A is 97 ASCII code. A 97 and 68 means the capital D. 99 is small c. 69 is capital E. 101 is small e. And 72 is a capital H. So byte to string. So I hope you understand it. So in the next video, I'll explain how to convert the string into byte array. Okay. String into character array. Okay. So far, array into string, array into string we had done. Now, string into array, how to execute it. Let's see in the next program. Thank you.